Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your story on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Now you'll have to create a story. In order to do that, click on the Create Story option. Here in the right hand side of the screen, you can see that the music option is available. Click on it. You can also search the music by clicking on the search bar and typing the name of music or artist. Here, select the music of your liking. You can see that the lyrics of the music has appeared on the screen. Tap on it. Here you can select the part of the music you want to play by moving the blue bars. And you can also change the font of the text. If you do not want the text, then you can click on the rectangular icon just beside the text. After you're finished, click on the Done option in the top right corner. Here you can manage the size of the sticker and manage its placement. Now click on the Share button in order to upload your story. And that is how you can add music to your story on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.